First question. The office timing of Kara is from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. See, 9 a.m. means that is morning, 5 p.m. means that is evening. There is a lunch break for 1 hour. The total working time of Kara is, try to understand. Kara, she is starting her work from 9 a.m. and she completes her work to up at 5 p.m. There is a lunch break. Okay, see, in between there is a lunch break for 1 hour. Then they are asking what is the total working time of Kara. Vishal, right answer. Tej Kiran, right. Dhruva, right. Yuvraj, wrong. Galaxy, right. Yashash, right. Sumadura, wrong. Chintana, right. Karthik, what you are sending? Yashash, right. Shalini, wrong. Rohit, right. Suraj, right. Harshit Kumar, right. Tanmay, SH, no. Jaideep, right answer. Ima Varsha, right. Nishchit, wrong. Neha, Harsha, right. Harichandan, right. Tarun, wrong. Savita Kaushik, wrong answer. Vaibhav, right answer. Vaibhav Lakshmi. Lohit, right. Rachana, right. Nikhil, wrong. Ganvi, no. Manoj, no. Rachana, right. Yuvraj, wrong. Kirtan Kumar, right. Manoj, wrong. Kirtana, wrong answer. Manoj, wrong answer. Chandana, wrong. Yuvraj, wrong. Nidhi, wrong. Anaga, MS, wrong. Hamsa, wrong. Nidhi, wrong. Mana, wrong. Chitra, right. Aisiri, wrong. Sumadhura, right. Rachana, right. Ullas, right answer. Rohini, wrong answer. Rachana, right. Kruti, right answer. Tarun, wrong. Shalini, wrong. Danvita, right. Chumanna, wrong. Jeevan Nayak, right. Rachana, right answer. Chumanna, wrong. Shashank, BR, wrong. Rachana, send me once enough. Chandana, right answer. Tanmay, SH, right. Aisiri, right. Yashash, right. Hamsa, right. Aditya, AM, wrong. I told no Rachana, send me once. Okay, enough. Rohini, right answer. Rachana, right. Mana, right. Sheetal, wrong. Akrut, right. Shalini, wrong. Anaga, wrong. Saujanya, wrong. Aditya, AM, wrong. See here. I'll solve this one. See, office timing of Kara is 9 a.m. Okay. She starts her work from 9 a.m. See, I will write a number line better. See, she will start at 9 a.m. Next, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. See, total how many hours? 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. means this is 1 hour. 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. means 1 hour. This is 1 hour. 1 hour. 1 hour. 1 hour. This is 1 hour. And this is 1 hour. Total how many hours? Total hours? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 hours. See, she is not working for 8 hours. Why? Because lunch break is there. Okay. So lunch break, she is taking 1 hour for lunch break. If you subtract, you will get what? Total working time, no? That is 7 hours. See, answer is 7 hours. Got it? Understood? How to solve this one? Chitra, understood? Okay, fine. Kaushik, understood? Okay, fine. We'll move on to second question. Be ready. Yeah. See, they are comparing minutes, hours, months. Okay. So which one is right one here? They are comparing minute, hour, month, day, like that. So which option is correct? So which one is bigger? Which one is smaller? You need to compare. Chintana, right? Aditya AM, right? Dhruva, right? Neha, right? Kushal S. Gowda, right? Ullas, right? Rohit, right? Vishal, right? Chitra, right? Aishri, right? Ishi, right? Dhruva, Danvita, right? Yuvraj, right? Suraj, right? Mana, right? Hamsa, right? Karthik Sagar, right? Nikhil, right? Saujanya, wrong. Nidhi, right? Shalini, wrong. Surya, right? Sumadhura, right? Kirtana, right? Chandana, right? Manoj, wrong. Hari Chandan, right? Shashank, we are wrong. Sadhvi Patil, right? Tarun, Mahish, right? Tej Kiran, right answer. Shashank, we are wrong. Sadhvi Patil, right? Ashit Kumar, wrong. Rohini, right? Tanmay SS, right? Kruti, right? Himarsh, I think. That is right. Jaideep, right? Shalini, right? Yashas, right? Sheetal, right? Maulya D, right? Nishchit, right? Jeevan Nayak, wrong. Kaushik, right answer. Anaga, right answer. Kirtan, yeah. Kirtan Kaur, Kirtan Kumar, right? Chubanna, right? Manoj, right? Vaibhav Lakshmi, right? Akrut, wrong. Kushalam, right? Okay, everyone sent answers. Arshit Kumar, right? Saujanya, right? Akrut, I told no wrong. Jeevan, right? See here. Right answer is option C. See here, try to understand. Month is big now. Okay. So next bigger is week. Next is day. And next is hour. And last one is minute. This is very small. Right? And month is bigger. Option C is the answer. Understood? Shall I move on to next one? Yeah. See here, I will explain the problem. Karen's flight is expected to take off at 4 p.m. Okay. See, Karen's flight. Karen's flight allatiದ್ದಾರೆ ಆ ಫ್ಲೈಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಗೋದು ಯಾವಾಗ 4 p.m. Okay. The flight takes 2 hours and 20 minutes. See, destination reach ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಂತದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 hours 20 minutes. At what time will the flight land at its destination? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಡೆಸ್ಟಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? At what time it will reach? Clear? It starts at 4 p.m. and it is taking 2 hours and 20 minutes. Okay. Karthik Sagar, right? Kushal Gowda, right? Chintana, right? Rohit Jeevan Nayak, right? Suraj, right? Tej Kiran, right? Vaibhav Lakshmi, Danvita, Neha, right? Tarun, Yuvraj, Kirtan, right? Yashash Sumadura, right? Jeevan Nayak, right? Shalini, right? Harichandan, right? Chitra, right answer. Akrut, right answer. Ullas, right? Rohini, right? Aisiri, wrong. Prithvika, right? Dhiran, wrong. Vishal, right? Aditya, AM, right? Anaga, MS, right? Ganvi, no. Mana, right? Ishak, right? Jaideep, right? Sadhvi Patil, right? Dhruva, right? Aisiri, right? Vishalam, wrong. Nishchit, right? Kirtana, GT, right? Manoj, right? Kishan D, right? Rishi, right answer. Chandana, no. Himavarsha, right answer. Nidhi, right. Surya, right. Hamsa, no. Nidhi, right answer. Chandana, wrong. Kruti, right answer. Kushalam, wrong. Arshit Kumar, VR, wrong answer. Maulya D. What option C? Where is option C? Where are you given options? My is right answer. Maulya D, now it is right. Tanmay SH, right answer. Chumanna, right. Very good. Yeah, Lohit, it is coming. Shashank, we are wrong. Kaushik, wrong answer. See here, I will solve this one. See, it is expected to take off at 4 p.m. 4 p.m. ಗೆ start ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Flight take off ಆಗೋದು, okay? So take off at 4 p.m. Flight takes 2 hours and 20 minutes. Try to understand 2 hours and 20 minutes. See, 2 hours means this is 1 hour. 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. means 1 hour. 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. means 1 hour. Okay. See, he is telling 2 hours. No? 2 hours is over. Next 20 minutes is there remaining. We need to take 20 minutes. If you take 20 minutes means, okay, what will be the time? 6 hours, 20 minutes means 6:20. Clear? At what time will flight land means at 6:20 p.m. ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? Understood? Simple one. It's not difficult. It is so simple. Shall I move on to next one? Samanvita, no. That is 6:20. See, try to understand. Okay, destination means target. ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನ destination ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Okay, target is called as destination. Yeah. See, what time is it? 3 hours before 4:40 a.m. Try to understand. What time is it? 3 hours before 4:40 a.m. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ? 4:40 a.m. ಆಗಿದೆ. Okay. See, 3 hours back, what was the time? Try to understand. Okay. 3 hours back, what was the time? 3 ಗಂಟೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ. ಇವಾಗ 4:40, 3 hours ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಐಸಿರಿ ರೈಟ್, ಮನಾ ರೈಟ್, ಜೀವನ್ ನಾಯಕ್ ರೈಟ್, ಚಿಂತನಾ ರೋಶ್ನಿ ರೈಟ್, ಹಿಮಾವರ್ಷ ಆದಿತ್ಯ ಎಂ ರೈಟ್, ಕೃತಿ ರೈಟ್, ತೇಜ್ ಕಿರಣ್ ವಿಶಾಲ್ ರೈಟ್, ಕುಶಾಲ್ ಗೌಡ ಹರಿಚಂದನ್ ರೈಟ್, ಗಾನ್ವಿ ನೋ, ರೋಹಿತ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಧ್ರುವ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಜೈದೀಪ್ ರೈಟ್, ಯಶಸ್ ರೈಟ್, ಕೀರ್ತನ್, ಶೀತಲ್ ರೈಟ್, ನಿಧಿ ರೈಟ್, ಧ್ರುವ ರೈಟ್, ಧನ್ವಿತಾ ರೈಟ್, ಸುಮಧುರ ರೈಟ್, ಕೌಶಿಕ್ ರಾಂಗ್, ನಿಶ್ಚಿತ್ ರೈಟ್, ತರುಣ್ ರೈಟ್, ನಿಧಿ ರೈಟ್, ಚಂದನ, ಯುವರಾಜ್ ರೈಟ್, ನೇಹಾ ರೈಟ್, ಸೂರ್ಯ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಸೌಜನ್ಯ ರೈಟ್, ಉಲ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೈಟ್, ಶಾಲಿನಿ ರಾಂಗ್, ಪೃಥ್ವಿಕಾ ರೈಟ್, ಕಿಶನ್ ಡಿ ರಾಂಗ್, ಸಾಧ್ವಿ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ರೈಟ್, ಸೂರಜ್ ರೈಟ್, ಚಿತ್ರಾ ರೈಟ್, ಯಾ, ಶಶಾಂಕ್ ಬಿಆರ್ ರೈಟ್, ವೈಭವ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ರೈಟ್, ಮಹೇಶ್ ರೈಟ್, ಅನಗ ರೈಟ್, ಹಂಸ ರೈಟ್, ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಸಾಗರ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಭುವನ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ರೈಟ್, ಕೀರ್ತನಾ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, Kishan wrong, Ishak right answer, Shalini wrong. See, 3 hours back, what was the time? 3 ಗಂಟೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. Chuman wrong, Rohini. What you are sending, Rohini? Rishi right answer. Kushalam right, Manoj right. Maulya D right. Shalini wrong, Arshit Kumar BR right. Samanvita right, Dheeran right. Okay. Shall I answer this one? Kishan right. Yeah. Stop sending. See here, I will solve this one. What time is it 3 hours before 4:40 a.m.? See, I will take the timeline. This is 4:40 a.m. See, 1 hour back means what is the time? 1 ಗಂಟೆ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, see, exact you need to write the same thing, but here we need to write, see, minutes will be same, 40 a.m., but it is 3:40. Try to understand. Minutes will remain same. Okay. Now we need to go 1 hour back. That is 3:40 means here it will be 2:40 a.m. Total how many hours we need to go back? Total 3 hours. Now, what is the time? 2:40, 1 hour back means 1:40 a.m. Understood? 1, 2, 3. 3 hours back ಹೋಗಿದ್ರೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಆನ್ಸರ್ 1:40 a.m. Any doubts? I think it is easy question. Very easy. Yeah, Sheetal right. Shalini was right. Kaushik, Chumana, Kishan right answers. Okay, we will move on to next question. See, first I will explain the problem. Tamsin is allowed to watch TV only till 10 p.m. Okay. See, ತಾಮ್ಸಿನ್ ನಾನು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 10 ಗಂಟೆವರೆಗೂ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೀನ್ ಟಿವಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ. See, they have put a condition for Tamsin. 10 p.m. Okay, you need to watch TV up to 10 p.m. If the time in the evening is as shown in the clock. Okay, time ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ? Okay, ಸಿ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ದೆನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಮೋರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಶಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಾಚ್ ಟಿವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು, ಇನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಟಿವಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ಅವಳು ಅಂತ, ತಾಮ್ಸಿನ್ ಅನ್ನೋಳು ಇನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ನಾವ್ ದಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 8:30. she can okay she is allowed to watch TV up to 10 p.m. okay, how much more time she can watch TV? ಇನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಇವಾಗ ಟಿವಿ ಅವಳು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ. ಇವಾಗ ಟೈಮ್ 8:30 ಆಗಿದೆ. ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಧ್ರುವ ರೈಟ್, ಐಸಿರಿ ರೈಟ್, ಚಿಂತನ ರೈಟ್, ಮನಾ ರೈಟ್, ರಿಷಿ ರೈಟ್, ಐಸಿರಿ ರೈಟ್, ತೇಜ್ ಕಿರಣ್ ರಾಂಗ್, ತರುಣ್ ರೈಟ್, ರಿಷಿ ರೈಟ್, ಮಹೇಶ್ ರಾಂಗ್, ಈಶಾಕ್ ರಾಂಗ್, ನೇಹಾ ರೈಟ್, ಯಶಸ್ ರೈಟ್, ಶಾಲಿನಿ ರಾಂಗ್, ನಿಶ್ಚಿತ್ ರೈಟ್, ರಿಷಿ ರೈಟ್, ಕುಶಾಲಂ ರೈಟ್, ಭುವನ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ರೈಟ್, ಕುಶಾಲ್ ರೈಟ್, ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಸಾಗರ್ ರೈಟ್, ಸುಮನ್ನ ರೈಟ್, ಜೈದೀಪ್ ರೈಟ್, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್, ಉಲ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೈಟ್, ಕೀರ್ತನ ರಾಂಗ್, ಧನ್ವಿತಾ ರೈಟ್, ಜೀವನ್ ನಾಯಕ್, ಗಾನ್ವಿ ರೈಟ್, ಸೂರ್ಯ ರಾಂಗ್, ಚಂದನ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಅಕೃತ್ ರಾಂಗ್, ಲೋಹಿತ್ ರೈಟ್, ಸುಮಧುರ ರೈಟ್, ರೋಹಿಣಿ ರೈಟ್, ಹಂಸ ರೈಟ್, ಕೀರ್ತಿಲತಾ ರೈಟ್, ಕೀರ್ತಿಲತಾ ನೋ ರಾಂಗ್, ಹಂಸ ರೈಟ್, ಸೂರಜ್ ರೈಟ್, ಅನಗ ರೈಟ್, ಶಶಾಂಕ್ ಬಿಆರ್ ರೈಟ್, ನಿಧಿ ರಾಂಗ್, ವೈಭವ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ರೈಟ್, ಕೌಶಿಕ್ ರೈಟ್, ಆದಿತ್ಯ ಎಂ ರೈಟ್, ಕೃತಿ ರೈಟ್, ಮನೋಜ್ ರೈಟ್, ಮೌಲ್ಯ ಡಿ ರೈಟ್, ಕಿಶನ್ ರೈಟ್, ನಿಧಿ ರಾಂಗ್, ಹರಿಚಂದನ್ ರಾಂಗ್, ವಿಶಾಲ್ ರೈಟ್, ತನ್ಮಯ್ ಎಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್, ಯುವರಾಜ್ ರೈಟ್, ಜೈದೀಪ್ ರಾಂಗ್, ಗಾನ್ವಿ ರೈಟ್, ಪೃಥ್ವಿಕಾ ರೈಟ್, ಗಾನ್ವಿ ರೈಟ್, ಶೀತಲ್ ರೈಟ್, ಪೃಥ್ವಿಕಾ ರೈಟ್, ಶಾಲಿನಿ ರೈಟ್, ತೇಜಸ್ವಿನಿ ರೈಟ್, ತೇಜ್ ಕಿರಣ್ ರೈಟ್, ಹರ್ಷಿತ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ರೈಟ್, ತೇಜಸ್ವಿನಿ ರೈಟ್, ಹಿಮಾ ವರ್ಷ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. Okay, see here, I will answer this one. Hari Chandan right. Check your answers. See, now the time is 8:30. See, I will write the timeline. Now the time is 8:30. 8:30 p.m. Say we need to take next is 9:30. That will be better. From 8:30 to 9:30. Okay, how many hours? 1 hour. From 9:30 to, see what is the ending time? 10 p.m. 9:30 to 9:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. means that is 30 minutes, no? Yeah. So how much more time she can watch TV means she can watch 1 hour 30 minutes. Clear? See, that is not 1:30. Some of you are sending 1:30. That is not 1:30. That is 1 hour 30 minutes. So answer is 1 hour 30 minutes is the answer. Clear? Understood? So I'll move on to next one. Be ready. Next question. Yeah. See, this is somewhat difficult, I think. Okay. See, they are given 61 days. That is equal to what? Means you need to convert that days to weeks. Try to understand. They are given the days. You need to convert that days to week. Okay. Simply don't send the answers. Okay. See, I will remove. Sumne answer kadista idre nan remove martini. From the batch only I am removing. Dhruva right, Chintana right. Kushal S. Gowda right. Chintana right. Manoj wrong answer. Neha right. Chintana right. Nishchit right. Harichandan wrong. Jeevan Nayak right. Ullas wrong. Ishak right. Nikhil wrong. Tejaswini wrong. Rohit wrong. Yuvraj right. Rishi right. Ashish right. Sadhvi wrong. Kirtan wrong. Danvita right. Kirtilata right. Rishi right. Purvik right. Bhuvan Chandra right. Vishal wrong. Tarun right. Dhiran wrong. Sumadura wrong. Lohit Tanmay right. Ganvi wrong. Kruti wrong. Rohini right. Ullas right. Aisiri right. Mana wrong. Vaibha Lakshmi wrong. Mana wrong. Aisiri right. Himavarsha right. Aditya AM right. Shalini wrong. Prutvika wrong. Kruti wrong. Simply they are sending options. Idiots. Kishan right. Karthik Sagar wrong. Harichandan right. Akrut right. Jaideep right. Tanmay SH right. Prutvika right. Anaga wrong. Prutvika right. Saujanya wrong. Manoj wrong. Samanvita wrong. Maulia D right. Roshni wrong. Nidhi right. Sheetal wrong. Mana right answer. Okay. Ganvi now it is right. Tej Kiran right. I will answer this one. Kruti right. Kirtan Kumar right. Saujanya wrong. Ashish right. Arshit Kumar right. Kushalam right. Kishan D. Yeah right. Karthik Sagar wrong. See here. I will answer this one. We need to convert these days to week. You should know how many days in a week. 1 week is equal to how many days? 7 days. That's why what you need to do means here we need to convert days to week means okay, you need to select division. Divide this days by week. Clear? Divide this days, that is 61, by days 7 days. 1 week 7 days means divide by 7. So how to divide? 7 8s are 56. What is the remainder? 61 minus 56 means how much? 5. Okay. See, this quotient is nothing but weeks. Try to understand. ಈ quotient ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಅದು week ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ and remainder is taken as days. Clear? So what is the logic here? Logic is very simple. Divide days by 7. This is the logic. So what is the answer you got? How many weeks? 8 weeks. How many days? 5 days. Understood? See, one more method how you can do means we can go by the options also. Okay. How to check with options means, see, suppose I will take B only directly. 8 weeks means, okay, in a week, 7 days will be there. 8 7s are 56. Here 5 days is there. 56 plus 5 means, you can do like this also. Okay, this is one more method. Checking the options. Understood? Option B is the answer. Shalini, right? Chintana saying, sir, I did second method. Okay. Rohini, ಮಾಡ್ದ? Okay, so everyone is doing. Please switch on your videos, huh? Everyone, please switch on your videos. Sheetal, sir, I did second. Okay. Isha, creation and proportion. Yeah. Kirtana, right. Okay, I will move on to next one. Find out the answer for this. See, question is, how many minutes are there in 2 hours 30 minutes? Time ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 2 hours ಮತ್ತೆ 30 minutes. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Wait, don't send the answers. So how many minutes are there? Dhruva, right. Manoj, right. Ullas, Purvik, right. Nidhi, right. Lohit, right. Purvik, wrong. Tej Kiran, right. Chintana, right. Karthik Sagar, wrong. Aisiri, right. Yuvraj, right. Nikhil, right. Rohit, right. Kishandi, right. Chitra, right. Sumadura, right. Rohini, right. Send me slowly. Kirtilata, right. Dhruva, important doubt on that. Kruti, right. Okay. Ashes, right. Nischit, right. Suraj, wrong. Karthik, Dhanvita, right. Karthik, right. Shalini, wrong. Prithvika, right. Akrut, right. Arshit Kumar, right. Ashes, right. Vishal, right. Gagan, right. Rishi, right. Suraj, right. Nischit, right. Dhanmay, right. Sadhvi Patil, wrong. Ganvi, right. Mana, right. Chumana, right. Kirtan Kumar, right. Tarun, right. Kaushik, wrong answer. Mai is wrong. Kirtan Kumar, right. Harichandan, right. Surya, right. Mai is right. Mauliadi, right. Kushalam, right. Sheetal, right. Amsa, right. Chandana, right. Shalini, wrong. Ishak, right. Hima Varsha, right answer. Harichandan, right. Saujanya, wrong. Hima Varsha, right. Sadhvi Patil, right. Jaideep, right. Jiva Nayak, right. Purvik, right. Okay. Shalini, right. Anaga MS, right. Vaibhav Lakshmi, right. Shalini, right. Ishak, right. Okay. See here. Stop sending. Check your answers. Bhuvan Chandra, wrong. How many minutes are there in 2 hours 30 minutes? Okay. See, it is like this. 2 hours. In 2 hours, how many minutes are there? Actually, in 2 hours means we can split like this now. 1 hour, 1 hour. And anyhow, here 30 minutes will be there. What is 1 hour? 60 minutes. 1 hour, 60 minutes. And we will take this 30 minutes. Say, add all these things. Add all the minutes. 60 plus 60, 120. 120 plus 30, 150. Option C. Very direct question. 2 hours, 30 minutes. Clear? Kirtana, right. Bhuvan Chandra, right. Okay. Dhruva, ಏನು ಡೌಟ್?
ಸರ್ ಸರ್ ಅದು ನೌನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
ಅಣ್ಣನಿಗೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಇವಾಗ ಡೌಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ನೆನ್ನೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಡೌಟ್ ಅಂತ.
ಏನ್ ಡೌಟ್ ಬಂತು ಅವನಲ್ಲಿ?
ಸರ್ ಈಗ ಮಾಮೂಲಿ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ನೌನ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ನೌನ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ನೌನ್ ಸರ್?
ಯಾವ್ದು?
ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್.
ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಇದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ ಸಿ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ನಾವು ತಗೋಬಹುದು ನಾವು. ಓಕೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿ ಎರಡ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಇದೆ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ ಅವಾಗ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ರೂಲ್ಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ ಈ ತರ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೋಬಹುದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ನಾವು.
ಸರ್ ನೆನ್ನೆ ನಾವು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ನೌನ್ ಅಂತ.
ಓಕೆ
ನಮ್ ತಾತಾರು ಕೇಳ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಡೌಟ್ ಐತಲ್ ನಿನಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರು.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಯಾ ಗುಡ್ ಡೌಟ್. ಓಕೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ನೌನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಬರೀ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ನೌನ್, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಯಾ
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.
ಗುಡ್ ಒನ್. Okay, next question. Ready? Send me the answer. See, I will explain this one. How many hours make 240 minutes? Okay, means you need to convert this minutes to hours. 240 minutes is there. You need to convert this to hours. So you should know how to convert minutes to hours. Nishchit right, Tej Kiran right, Vanchandra right, Karthik right, Ullas wrong, Jaideep right answer, Nidhi right, Kishan D right, Rohini right, Nidhi right, Dhanvita right, Chintana right, Rohit right, Shalini right, Shashank Bia right, Aditya AM right, Ganvi right, Ishesh right, Kushalam Chitra right, Olya D right, Chiranjeevi right, Ashish right, Neha right, Dhruva right, Mana right, Sadhvi Patil right, Yuvraj Kirtilata right, Kirtana wrong answer, Ullas right, Aisiri Vishal right, Jeevan Nayak right, Purvik right, Suraj right, Gagan wrong, Anaga MS right, Himavarsha right, Dhiran wrong, Kirtan Kumar wrong, Manoj wrong, Mais right, Surya right, Harichandan right, Harshit Kumar wrong, Tanmay SS right, Tarun wrong, Ganvi right, Shalini right, Akrut right, Dhiran wrong, Kirtan now it is right, Gagan wrong, Shalini right. See here, I will answer this one. Manoj right, Kruti wrong, Chumana right, Rishi right, Ganvi right. Ganvi 2 are there. Okay. Yeah, Dhanvita Kuzi is there. Rishi right, Amsa no. Rishi, Kruti right, Chandana right. Chandana right answer. Amsa, what you are sending wrong? See here. 240 minutes, convert that to hours. Here, 2 methods are there. First method, go by the options. Okay, options prakara hogi. See how to convert hour to minutes. Hour to minutes means that is by multiplication, no? Multiply by 60. If it is minutes to hours, divide by 60. Okay, So multiply this 6 by 60. We are converting, see, options. Okay. In options, they are given hours. 6 into 60 means here we will get 360, but they are given 240 minutes. So this will not come. Option B, 3 into 60. 180 you will get. So option B will not come. Coming to the option C, into 60. That is 300. C will not come. See, we are left with last option. That is 4 into 60. Multiply 4 into 60. How much you will get? 240. See, this is one method. Method 2, that is use this one. Divide by 60. 240 divided by 60. See here. 240 is there now. Okay. So divide it by 64. So this is hours. And this is minutes we will get. So what is the answer? 4 hours. Understood two methods. One is multiply and one is division. Clear, two methods. So you can follow any method. That is your wish. Amsa was right. Tej Kiran was right. Tejaswini was right. Okay. Yeah. See, I will stop here. Tomorrow we will continue with some more problems.